Alright guys, we're back. Some kind of low, kind of down tempo techno. Again, follow along if you want. Mostly observe, but techno is really fun, whether it's, low BPM techno or high BPM, just because especially if it has really good sounds and like experimental, synths and stuff like that. Just allows you to really like tap in. At least for me, techno does hit differently. Even though I don't always dance to it, like I do dance to a fair bit. I just dance to more house. And there's me losing my control of my spin. And I think I do it again, and I still lose my balance. And that's okay. I feel like showing these things raw is good for you to see. But I always come out of it and I catch myself no matter what. There was a much better spin. And kind of back to grooving and experimenting with like the elbows and arms and stuff like that. Okay. Using the head here. Boom. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See how I'm going to the music? Ba ba. Ba ba. Just with the head alone, you're creating a concept. Ba ba. Okay, that's it.